I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi sahabat Bismania. Ketemu lagi dengan Ferry Bismania. Hari ini anjing kita di shot tempat lokasi. Mulai dengan bis Sriwijaya ya, punya pribumi Palembang. Saksikan terus video Ferry Bismania. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe channel Ferry Bismania. Terima kasih. 1 unit ALS. Itu unit transport ya. Gue ngeblong deh. Marsose. Manjo V25. Sayonara, terluka lagi. Kumarang Jaya masuk. Moreno. Rapi Tronton. Fortuna. Lauser. ANS. Fenomena. Palala, Duta Budaya. Sonorita. Dari Kejauhan NPM Kazana. Kita akhiri video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah menonton video Perry Bismania. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe channel Perry Bismania. Salam sehat.